Hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in the state of Alabama. And I was asked this question recently, and so I want to share this with you. What's the difference between a tax collector and a debt collector? Are these different? Are they the same? How does this work? So let me say it this way. So if we're talking about the IRS and we owe the IRS money, well, the IRS can collect that. And they may do it directly. So you may get letters from the IRS, you may get phone calls from the IRS. So that's one thing over here. That's tax collection. But what if it's a credit card, an old mortgage loan, an old car loan, student loan? Then that's going to be a debt collector. So what's a debt collector? That's just somebody collecting old debt. Now when I say old debt, it might be 6 months old, it might be a year old, it might be a decade old. They're collecting the debt. Now, are these two things completely separate? No. Because the IRS this year, 2017, has started saying, you know what, some of this tax debt, instead of us collecting it, we're going to shift some of that over to a debt collector. And there's a whole list of these debt collectors that are sort of authorized by the IRS to collect debt. And so you could get a phone call from XYZ debt collector. It could be on a credit card. Maybe you had a foreclosure, you still owe money. Maybe you had a repossession, still owe money. Maybe it's on a student loan, or maybe it's on a tax debt. And so here's the general rule. With any type of debt collector, you find out answers to these questions. Who, what, when, why, where, how. Who are you? Why are you calling me? Why are you writing me? What is this about? When did I have this debt? Where is this coming from? How did you calculate? In other words, you're asking questions to understand. Because they're calling you or they're writing you, and they don't literally do this, but just imagine they're knocking on your door and saying, pay me money. Well, who are you? What is this about? How much do you say I owe? How did you calculate? You ask them questions. Now, if it's the IRS that's writing to you or a debt collector for the IRS, again, same thing. You want to figure out, well, what is this? Is it payroll tax? Is it you say that I didn't report income, or I reported too high of a deduction, or what is this? How much do you say I owe? What tax years do you say I owe this for? Now, either one of these we can help you with. We can help you figure out, is this debt collector doing it the right way? Do you owe this debt? Are they violating the law? It could be the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Even with the IRS, they say you owe money. Well, do you really owe it? And if you do owe it, is it such that we can help you to bring that amount down, what you have to pay? Can we work out an installment plan, something called an offer in compromise? So whatever your situation is with a tax collector, a debt collector, if you're in Alabama, give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can go to alabamaconsumer.com. Appreciate you watching this video and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.